Hey everyone! All right, so the time is here. I've been working forever to get the kitchen cabinets done, and Stone Age tile just finished putting in the countertops, the granite countertops. I just threw the faucet on real quick. It's not hooked up to plumbing because I don't know how to do the actual plumbing, but I threw the faucet on real quick, and do you guys want to see the difference? Okay, so this is at the townhouse, and this is a kitchen, and it's not all completely done, obviously. I need to get a new stove and a new fridge. Not new, but I was thinking of getting like used ones to put in there, maybe a microwave and stuff like that. But kitchen countertops and cabinets, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and put the before pictures on here, and then we'll take a look at the actual kitchen. And remember, this is just a rental, and do not look at anything too closely, okay? We just need it to pass. We just need it to pass to be like good to rent out, all right? So don't look at things too close. All right, here's the reveal. Ready, ready, ready? Da, 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 da. So it is, the cabinets are now antique white, and the granite countertops. This is the stove that needs to go bye-bye. Well, it's like 38 years old, but yes, it would look a lot better with poles, but I ran out of money, you guys, so that's not gonna happen right now. But okay, this is what made me fall in love with this countertop. Look, the pearlescent patches in here. So it's these spots will like pop up depending on where you're standing and stuff. Then all of a sudden you see like the blue pearlescent popping up. And it all depends on the angle, how the light is shining on it, different ways that you look at it. And then you see the browns and the greens. It's like a green in here, and the browns and the whites, and here's like a white pearlescent spot over here, and the greenish blue pearlescent spots. Oh my gosh. Like anything like color shifting, I love. So there it is. The kitchen. Not complete, but a lot done. All right. Hey, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Big, deep sink. I am not a fan. I'm probably the only person, but I am not a fan of divided sinks. It's like you need to have space. And it's like, what if you have a little puppy to wash? It's like, what if you have it's like, I love big sinks. And then the curves, I like the curves. I don't like sharp corners. Oh, speaking of corners, look at the bevel edge. Did you see the right there? And look at this edge. And look at this edge that kind of ties it all together, Looks so nice. Oh my gosh. And I guess while you guys are here, you can see my workspace. And you can see the ceiling, the popcorn is all gone. The walls are painted. New ceiling fan. Turn on the light switches. And wait, did I show you the faucet? Dum, da, dum. Gotta get the garbage disposal in there. I don't know how to do that, but I tried to make it a little neater in here for the guys when they came to work on the countertop. But light switches are done, outlets are done, ceiling's done, Walls are done. So down here, a lot is done. A lot more has to go on upstairs. And I didn't paint this bathroom yet, but just as a reminder, we have, all the bathroom cabinets are painted this color. So it's a hot mess. But I'll just show you the cabinets. We're going to get all of this carpet replaced. So that's all in the works. But just a quick update. Let you guys know that yes, I am alive. It's just been super busy working on getting this place fixed up. All right. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.